In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Blueberry Funded with MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create your account inside the Blueberry Funded, and of course, when you create it, you will also receive your credentials to sign in to MT5. So that will consist of a server, your username you will have to use, which is usually a number, and then the password as well. So once you have that, come over into MT5 here, click on File, top left, and then click on Open an Account over here. When you do that, go into the search box up here and type in Blueberry, just like that, and then click on Find Your Company. Then what you have to do here, it's going to pop you up two different things. The first one is Blueberry Markets V, and then the second one is just Blueberry Markets. Click on this one, which is the Blueberry Markets without the V, and click on Next. And over here, you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. And here is where you have to put in your login, which is, as I said, a number, and then the password as well. So you'll receive this once you actually create your Blueberry Funded account. And then down here, this is the most important part. You must select the correct server, okay? So here, there's a bunch of different servers. So if you have a demo account, you can select any of the demo accounts. But if you have the live one, you have to select one of these two live servers, okay? So, of course, you'll receive the server name inside your email, or of course together with your credentials as well. So make sure all three things align, and when they do, click on Finish over here, and then you'll be successfully connected into MT5, and you can start using the platform over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.